Will cultured meat be our future food? Well, based on the latest developments and research, it appears that cultured meat, also known as clean meat, has the potential to become a significant part of our future food system. Here's a more detailed look at why cultured meat may represent the future of food. Sustainability advantages. Cultured meat production requires far less land, water, and feed compared to traditional livestock farming. It also generates much lower greenhouse gas emissions, making it a more environmentally sustainable option. Animal welfare. By growing meat directly from cell cultures instead of slaughtering animals, cultured meat avoids the ethical concerns around animal cruelty in conventional meat production. Nutritional profile. Cultured meat can be engineered to have a similar or even enhanced nutritional profile compared to conventional meat, providing the same proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Scalability. As production techniques improve and costs come down, cultured meat has the potential to be scaled up to meet the growing global demand for meat in a more efficient manner. Emerging investment and innovation. Major food companies, startups, and research institutions are heavily investing in cultured meat technology, driving rapid advancements that could make it commercially viable in the coming years. Challenges remain. However, cultured meat still faces some challenges, such as achieving cost parity with traditional meat, scaling up production, and addressing consumer perceptions and regulatory hurdles. Overall, the combination of sustainability benefits, animal welfare advantages, and technological progress suggests that cultured meat could very well become a significant part of our future food landscape, complementing or even replacing conventional meat in many applications. While it may take time to fully realize its potential, the future of food appears to be heading in a more clean and sustainable direction with cultured meat.